Model, 2015 Fiat Doblo Combo 16 VSX Multijet Genuine Low Mileage 12 months MOT Top Spec. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 92,845. MOT, the 26th of February 2026. Engine, 1598 cc 198 A3000, E5, C. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, aircon, electric windows, 2 keys, 12 months MOT. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.